Welcome to Household Items in English with Grandpa Grammar. Kitchen items in English. Refrigerator, refrigerator. Stove, stove. Oven, oven. Dishwasher, dishwasher. Coffee maker, coffee maker. Tile kitchen floor, tile kitchen floor. Faucet, faucet. Sink and tile backsplash, sink and tile backsplash. Cabinets, cabinets. Center island, center island. Countertop, countertop. Floor mat, floor mat. Tablecloth, tablecloth. Napkins, napkins. Placemat, placemat. Forks, forks. Spoons, spoons. Butter knife, butter knife. Knives, knives. Plates, plates. Bowls, bowls. Kitchen table and chairs, kitchen table and chairs. Drying rack, drying rack. Dish towels, dish towels. Salt and pepper shakers, salt and pepper shakers. Pans, pans. Pots, pots. Spatula, spatula. Basting brush, basting brush. Wooden spoons, wooden spoons. Pot holders, pot holders. Cutting board, cutting board. Blender, blender. Glass pitcher, glass pitcher. Storage containers, storage containers. Glass, glass. Mug, mug. Cup and saucer, cup and saucer. You can improve your English. You can speak better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop, you can speak better English quickly. You can speak excellent English. English is a bridge to open up the world to you. Better English is the key career success with better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop. Click the link in the description to find out more. Better English now. Living room items in English. Sofa pillow, sofa pillow. Wall art, wall art. Fireplace, fireplace. Hanging lamp over dining area table, hanging lamp over dining area table. Fish tank, fish tank. Ceiling fan, ceiling fan. Footrest and rug, footrest and rug. Curtains, curtains. TV and remote, TV and remote. Potted plant, potted plant. lamp and lamp table, lamp and lamp table. Coffee table, coffee table. Recliner, recliner. Chair, chair. Sofa, sofa. Bookshelves, bookshelves. Couch blanket, couch blanket. Coasters, coasters. Bedroom items in English. Bed, bed. Bedroom fan, bedroom fan. Piggy bank, piggy bank. Phone charger, phone charger. Alarm clock, alarm clock. Comforter, comforter. Throw blanket, throw blanket. Pillows, pillows. Bedroom rug, bedroom rug. Dresser and mirror, dresser and mirror. Clothes hanger, clothes hanger. Bedroom closet, bedroom closet. Bedroom lamp, bedroom lamp. Night table, night table. Bathroom items in English. Bathtub, bathtub. Toilet brush, toilet brush. Plunger, plunger. Bathroom cabinet and drawers, bathroom cabinet and drawers. Bathrobe, bathrobe. Bathroom cup, bathroom cup. Lotion, lotion. Shaving cream, shaving cream. Safety razor, safety razor. Washcloths, washcloths. Electric shaver, electric shaver. Close-up mirror, close-up mirror. Nail clipper, nail clipper. Towels, towels. Hair blower, hair blower. Weight scale, weight scale. Comb and brush, comb and brush. Shampoo and conditioner, shampoo and conditioner. Toothbrush and toothpaste, toothbrush and toothpaste. Soap and soap dish, soap and soap dish. Bathroom floor mat, bathroom floor mat. Toilet paper, toilet paper. Toilet bowl, toilet bowl. Towel racks, towel racks. Medicine cabinet, medicine cabinet. Bathroom sink, bathroom sink. Shower curtain, shower curtain. Shower, shower. Laundry room items in English. Clothes washer and dryer, clothes washer and dryer. Iron and ironing board, iron and ironing board. Dryer sheets, dryer sheets. Laundry detergent, laundry detergent. Hamper, hamper. Laundry basket, laundry basket. Utility room and closet items in English. Broom and dustpan. Broom and dustpan. Mop. Mop. Cleaning supplies. Cleaning supplies. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. If you want to improve your English language skills, click on the link below in the description and check out Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop. Thanks.